Go in Malay. Master, go, as.
Pergi.
Fast. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, this episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fast, friendly path to languages. For extra practice and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail go in Malay,
Pergi.
plus the super useful forms.
Saya pergi. Awak pergi. Dia pergi. Kami pergi. Kamu semua pergi. Mereka pergi.
And the chill reply, it goes, equals.
Boleh tahan.
Let's roll. Your goal today. You'll be able to say who goes where, clearly and confidently, in just a few minutes. I go equals.
Saya pergi.
You go equals.
Awak pergi.
He goes equals.
Dia pergi.
She goes equals.
Dia pergi.
We go, not including the listener, equals.
Kami pergi.
You all go equals.
Kamu semua pergi.
They go equals.
Mereka pergi.
Bonus vibe check. It goes, so equals.
Boleh tahan.
Quick forms with a smile. Repeat after me and imagine stepping forward each time. Go equals.
Pergi.
Ready, set.
Pergi.
I go equals.
Saya pergi.
Coffee sipped, door opens.
Saya pergi.
You go equals.
Awak pergi.
You stride like a movie hero. He goes equals.
Dia pergi.
Cool walk, sunny's on. She goes equals.
Dia pergi.
Queen energy, door whoosh. We go equals.
Kami pergi.
Group high five, march. You all go equals.
Kamu semua pergi.
Squad assemble. They go equals.
Mereka pergi.
Footsteps fade like a drumbeat. How's it going? It goes equals.
Boleh tahan.
Shrug and smile. Funny mini dialogue. Listen in and shadow both speakers out loud. A. Morning check. How's your day? B.
Boleh tahan.
Coffee first, then.
Saya pergi.
A. Cool, at 9.
Awak pergi.
To the station, right? B. Yep, Amir? A.
Dia pergi.
Earlier, ninja vanish. B. And the team? A.
Kami pergi.
After the briefing.
Kamu semua pergi.
Ahead and grab seats. B. Noted. Text me when.
Mereka pergi.
To the gate. A. Deal. Now, 3, 2, 1.
Pergi.
Culture tips you'll actually use. Tiny tips, big wins. 1. In casual chat, how's it going, can get the reply.
Boleh tahan.
So, not bad. 2. Don't bark just.
Pergi.
At people, it can sound like, go away. Be polite with context, like,
Jom pergi.
let's go, or,
Sila pergi.
please go. 3.
Kami pergi.
Equals we, excluding the listener. If you include the listener, you'll often hear.
Kita pergi.
Lightning drills. You think it, then say the Malay aloud. I'll reveal the answer after a beat. Translate. They go. Answer.
Mereka pergi.
Translate. You all go. Answer.
Kamu semua pergi.
Translate. I go now. Answer.
Saya pergi.
Sekarang. Translate. He goes to class. Answer.
Dia pergi.
K. Kellis. Translate. She goes home after work. Answer.
Dia pergi.
Balik lepas kerja. Reply to, how's it going, with, it goes. Answer.
Boleh tahan.
Challenge mode. Your turn. Build 3 mini sentences. Say them out loud. 1. Start with, we go, and add a destination. Example.
Kami pergi.
K pasar. Your version? 2. Say, you go, and add a time word. Example.
Awak pergi.
Isak. Your version? 3. Give a quick vibe check about your day with, it goes. Example.
Boleh tahan.
Your version? Wrap up and thanks. Nice work, you moved a lot today. You now own the core forms.
Pergi. Saya pergi. Awak pergi. Dia pergi. Kami pergi. Kamu semua pergi. Mereka pergi.
Plus the handy reply.
Boleh tahan.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a few sentences daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time, and
Pergi.
crush your goals.